Anilo, why did you get kicked out of FXGOATS? Are you mad? Guys, I said nobody kicked me out. Nobody.
Yeah,
there's a difference between being kicked out and resigning. Damn.
yeah.
People are always on some different shit. Like, I was never kicked out. I resigned.
Doug, you know what I can understand, Doug. Like, you know that public statement that I posted?
Yeah.
Like, I still have people today, like before you join this live, like people asking me like, how much is the FXGOAT course? Like, how can I become a mentor? Like, Doug, I'm not a part of them. Like, can we move?
Hey, you know, people will make you like, they will always take you back, dog, in as much as you try to go forward. That shit fucked up. That shit
But
fucked
why?
up. Zandi just told it, you can text me. You can text me. Shang Traders, guys. Shout out to my bro, man. Hey, man, look. Now I'm gonna give you like a real shout out in my life. So you saw I joined the live, the views bumped. So now the views as they bumped up, now the people gotta go to your side. So guys, yeah. So bro, shout out to you, man, for actually starting Shang Traders. It really shows that your version is actually like big, and for the fact that like we were sitting down and just like chopping things up after the whole thing that happened, and now you officially saw the potential you have to actually stand for yourself and be Shang Trader. So now, man, big shout out to you, man. That shit hard. That shit hard. You know, how fucking is a huge step to like stand by yourself. That shit is hard as fuck, bro.
Yeah, for real, dog. That's the thing. Like, I'll be telling the people, I honestly got, like, I'm honest. I got a lot of inspiration from you, bro. Like, the fact that you were part of like a big family of 4, then there were just 3, you know, like I don't say kicking you out, but you know what happened, you know, like when you believe you're so close to people and you feel like they could turn on you like that. And like, I just saw the way that you rised alone. And even though I was there with you every step of the way, like this was your company, it was your movement, the way that you were moving. It just gave me so much inspiration to know that I know there's big competitors out there. Like, dude, as much as you and I are boys and I love you, gang, Providence is going to be a competitor to me. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
FXGOAT will be a competitor to me. But at the end of the day, like, if I don't push for the success that I believe I'm worth, like, how would I ever know?
Facts. So yeah, man. So that's what I wanted to say to you. Like, shout out to you, man, for starting your own thing. And you know what I also tell you is like, never see anybody as a competitor, because it for some sort of reason it's gonna eliminate you. Whatever. But hey, these people will ask nonsense, because you know this one we must block. This one we must block. You ask a stupid question. But yeah, so don't never see anybody as a competitor, man, because trust me, there's always something better you can do more than people you think they're competition. You feel
Yeah,
me?
no, for real. Like Andy, I truly believe that we can work together still. You know what I'm saying?
Definitely. That's what I'm saying. Providence to you will forever be a family, because when
Exactly.
shit go down on my side, you are still stuck with me. You feel me? And I
So,
appreciate you for that, man. Like, no matter what, but you made sure that I'm chilling, I'm good. You always came to me. You always, you know, you was there, man. But shout out for being the real one. Not everybody's like that, man. Like, people, we have the most fakest people on earth right now. To be honest with you, like, you know why I love women?
yeah,
Women are the most realist people on earth. If a woman likes you, she doesn't like you, period. If she likes you, she
yeah,
likes you. That.
they
But with
honest.
a man would smile with you knowing for a fact that they hate you as fuck. They're busy out there saying shit about you. They're busy out there talking stuff and shit like that. And dog, we have gang niggas that are really fake, showing fake love. So I don't want none of the niggas in my life. I don't want anybody like that around my circle. You feel me?
Yeah, for real. I mean,
If
Andy,
you
we
don't
both know.
get the
Yeah,
fuck out. If you like me, let's stick together. That's it. Don't come here as fake smiling and shit like that. And then now I gotta believe that I'm thinking you love me, but on my back, you busy backstabbing, you busy talking shit about me, you busy on niggas like just spreading nonsense, dog. That's why I was like, shout out to you, man. You are the most, and for the fact that you white, not a lot of white niggas do that for black people. I don't lie to you.
I
Know
appreciate
for
it for real.
effect, but yeah, bro, shout out to that. And know for effect, right? So as I was saying, nobody's your competitor, dog. Trust me. You see, me, to be honest with you, I don't think I have competitors. Nah. I,
Yo, any banks be killing it, boy.
bro, I'm out of this world. I'm just out of this world. Like even niggas try to compete with me, they gonna definitely suffocate even before they start. I don't lie to you. Like
Yeah, for real.
nobody.
But that's a good thing.
You finna work. We still gonna work on some shit. But definitely we hopping on the thing. We hopping on the what we are planning as well. We still gonna collaborate.
Yeah, for real. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what I wanted to say. Like, you remember that big thing we spoke about? Like the
yeah.
big thing. Like big thing. For real, dog. We're definitely still gonna do that shit. Like, I truly believe it.
So
I truly believe it. Just quickly getting back to fake people, I just want to say one thing. Like, Andy and I, like, we both know one person. You know what you're talking about? Like, how a guy, like a gent will smile with you, think you're a best friend. We both know someone. You know who that person is. He has no friends.
bro,
That one has no.
bro, bro, that shit crazy, bro. Like that
Yo.
shit crazy. Like it's hey guys, you guys don't know, man. Fake love is real.
Yo. Dog,
Fake
you really think that someone
love.
can even send you 100K and you'll think this is how close you with that person, but the next day they'll stab you in the back, dog. Like, it's
Yo,
all a front.
yo, niggas, but a lot guys, a lot of people are fake out here. So be careful. That's the reason why. Basically, myself, I'd advise people to like try as much as possible to stay away from creating friendships and stuff like that. If somebody doesn't want to create a brotherhood relationship or a sisterhood relationship or either or, never be stuck with that person because um it's really fake love is real. I won't lie, fake love is real, guys. I had people coming into my face telling me how much they love me, how much they really care about me, how much they really fuck with me, how much they want to see me grow, how much they want to do this. But at the end of the day, dog, when I turn my back, yeah, it's a whole other story. It's a whole different story, man. So yeah, guys, how do you
So,
become such a person? I think I have an idea who you're talking about.
fucking hell. Yo. Look, the problem is having a huge circle. Yeah, because the problem with the huge circle is like, bro, who do you actually trust? Like, I do believe that.
Yeah,
Like, honestly, like, it doesn't mean that you don't have to have a lot of people in your life. But like the people that I truly keep close to me, like I even commented that shit yesterday on my story. I can count on one hand, like people I truly trust. Like, you know what I'm saying?
yeah, yeah.
Bro, obviously we know hundreds of people, like, yo, with social media, you probably know millions of people, but dude, it doesn't mean that
Bro,
you trust them.
that's the reason I never really also associate with a lot of traders. Like I don't like I don't believe in a huge circle because let me tell you something. Let me tell you something, guys. Right? So, NLE Chopper once said, "God sometimes will hold your blessings back because of the circle you in," and then he knows for a fact. He knows for a fact that if he was to give you that opportunity, somebody amongst your circle will fuck it up. So that's the reason why he never gives you up until you reevaluate your circle and see who is actually who is it actually, why is God blessing my shit? And you guys will be shocked for the fact that you would notice why God doesn't want to bless you. He doesn't want to bless you because somebody amongst your circle is holding something onto you. They're just gonna fuck up that opportunity. That's the reason why your circle has to be important. You see, if I was to count people, me all my life, that are most important. Number one is my son. That's the only person when I look at, I just feel like,
Obviously.
I just feel like fuck. I got a huge reason to leave. Number two is my girl. It's my fiance, right? Number three is my mom. Number four, it's my Providence team. Number five, it's Ferd. That's the only people I fuck with. Like nobody else, dog. No
Yeah,
one.
but
No one else. Like people be thinking like, guys, a small circle is important, man. God will hold your shit back because of the circle you're in. Move away from your circle. You see when your blessings blossom. That's the last. I posted that shit even.
bro, you know what the thing is? Just like capping what Andy's saying, bro, about you know, keeping your circle small and like how people are fake. And let me just preach something real quick. Like, you guys need to remember, do not confuse progress with movement. So like that's what I used to do. So like being part of FXGOAT, for example, like that was a big thing for me. Like they put me on a big platform. So I felt like I was doing a lot. Just because there was a lot of progress, let's say on social media, there was a lot of progress with people getting to know me, this and that. But I confused it with movement in a sense of like, what am I actually getting done? Like, what is Patrick Ferguson actually doing? And that's so true with Andy saying, like, the ideas that I've had and me and him have had, the things that we're doing, God definitely kept that shit quiet when we were part of something. You know what I'm saying? Now that we're not a part of it, it's like, yo, bro, like, Andy, I'm honest, dog. In the past, like, I was saying to my dad, bro, in the past, like, 3-4 weeks, like, I truly, looking at myself, I don't think I've ever worked this hard, dog. And I think it's because it's for myself, obviously, but rarely. Like, shit, man. Like, bro, I was part of something that was so big that I was constantly working. Like, it was always, I have to do this for FX, I have to do this, I have to do this. But, like, if you actually add it all up, it wasn't actually a lot of stuff. Like, it was just progress with growing someone else and something else.
Yeah.
And I don't believe in shit, man. Like, I'm like, one thing I know for a fact, Providence FX, Sharks and Traders, like, dog, we want to make people rich. I'm telling you. Like, Andy, do you know what I was telling people in this live? Like, I want to see in the next, let's say, year and a half, people are like, shit, why is Ferguson's student so rich? Why is Andy's student so rich? Because, dog, I'm not hating on FX and stuff, but there isn't an FXGO student that's actually rich. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to be so transparent with someone. Like, someone gave me an opportunity to learn this gift in life of Forex trading, that I'm going to give it to someone else.
That's great. So tell me something. What is one thing that you think shunt traders, not really to bust the bubble. Busting a bubble, I mean, don't speak things that you don't have to say. Remember, sometimes a lion can only roar once it killed.
Exactly.
Yeah. So, dog, I've been seeing the movement. It's crazy, dog. Fuck. I'm following the whole shit. I'm just like, damn, look at Ferguson, man. Like, looking at the content right now. You know, you remind me of who? Ooh. You remind me of, check this guy called Michael Bamba.
Okay.
This guy called Michael Bamba. I'll send you his profile. Like, when I look at the building right now, it's similar going to that. And that nigga is hard, though. That nigga hard. No cap.
I appreciate it, G.
Hard. I won't lie to you, bro. Like, that nigga big as fuck, and he's the way it's been building up. You going to Cape Town, this. You know, sometimes someone said to me on the questions that I posted the other day, he said to me, Andy, what is your biggest regret? And then my answer was not seeing my true potential. I regret that shit, dog. Fuck. I regret that shit. Like, I didn't know the power I have up until now. I didn't know that. Like, I didn't know the power I have up until now. And I was
even
like,
me, someone that just started off. Yeah. Just a question. I really want you to continue, because I know you're gonna say wise words. This thing says remaining 1 minute. What does that mean? This live is gonna end.
Yeah.
Why does Instagram do that now?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it limits people, something like that.
Okay, but before we go, then, what was your question? Let me see if I can answer it. About shank traders.
My question was, as a shank trader, what is it that you think you have potential of doing different than what's been done in the industry?
Yeah. Okay, if I'm gonna say, I'll definitely give too much away. But what I can say, and I know everyone says this, but genuinely, I'm gonna bring something like my cause. I'm gonna bring something in the industry that's never been seen before, especially in SA trading.
Exactly. That's what I wanted you to say. Like,
if I can
I wanted you to say, from here to the top, it's purely international level.